Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is July 1st, 2014. Today is Tuesday, first day of the month of July. We are in the heart of the summer, and as such, it's going to reflect in the trading as well. A couple of numbers coming out of today at 9:55 South African time, German manufacturing number, and then at 4 o'clock today, U.S. manufacturing number that's coming out. So it's just a couple of numbers that are coming out, nothing really big to really celebrate and to really say the market's going to go in a crazy direction. But, you know, as these little pivot points happen throughout the day, there are multiple opportunities to make money. Looking at the Euro USD, this is something that's been going on since the middle of last month. We made this big debacle. We had this big sell-off, and then we consolidated at this area down here, and slowly but surely we covered the gap here, and then we're just hanging out 36.81 off about 200 pips from our all-time highs. So in essence, the Euro USD has been trading, as you can see, and it has been just pivoting up, slowly but surely. So it has had some nice trend lines. Okay, if you look at the trend line, it has been trending quite nicely. So I would continue keeping an eye on it if it's going to somewhat regain back of its luster, regain part of its real estate that it's lost over the past month and a half. Looking at the Aussie USD, there was a big number that came out early this morning, and you'll see that we're just above the resistance line, okay, of 0.94-ish, 0.9440, okay, and we're just above this line, and we're breaking above it. I would look for some continued up move, okay. Looking at a longer time frame, let's see what we have in terms of resistance. Not much resistance to it on the upside, going up to 94, almost 95-ish area, I would say, and then 95, 96, 97 area. So, you know, as I said before, these things like to take their time, and we kind of got to this point back in April, but we didn't close above this level. Here you see the bars a little bit more confidence right here than back in April. So I would look for some continued growth, continued buying in the Aussie USD. Looking at the GBP USD also, breaking up above, and this thing doesn't want to stop. Okay, it just keeps on going back. So you always have so many buying opportunities in this currency pair since the beginning of the year. It's just been buy and hold, buy and sell into the strength, buy into the pullbacks, sell into the strength. There are multiple opportunities to make some very decent money in this pair as well. So I keep an eye on the GBP USD today, seeing how the American number is going to come out on the manufacturing. Looking at gold, gold, interestingly enough, if you remember, perked down to 1245, and then we came back and just hovering above 1300, and then we consolidated between 1310 and 1320, I would say 1318, and now we find ourselves at 1327 again, which is really close to 1330, which is a major resistance level, and you see it just keeps on going. But I would look for some retracement at some point, okay, because we are entering major resistance level from way back when. We hit it back in October of 2013, and then we challenged it here more recently in April. So if we're able to see the light above 1340, I would say, then I would say the next resistance is at 1350. So yes, a major move up for the gold, but by and large it is still trading in a trading range between 1383, let's say, and 1240. And we see that we're not trending as much. We're somewhat trading in this range until we have a major breakout above 1400. I don't really see a major trend forming. Although that doesn't mean that you don't have multiple opportunities to just trade the range. So honestly, on the bigger picture, there are some multiple opportunities with the gold. Looking at the Dow Jones, almost a non-factor, very, very tight, light trading in the Dow Jones, and oil just a little bit retracing, and also very, very quiet. So this is Fred Razak at CM Trading. Thank you. Have a great trading day.